Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve Facebook navigation bar down problem on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Since you are facing Facebook navigation bar down problem, you can often fix it by closing the app and then restarting it. After closing Facebook, restart it and see if the issue is fixed. If your Facebook navigation bar has moved to the bottom of your screen, this is likely due to a recent app update. To customize or hide specific shortcuts on the bar, open the Facebook app and tap the menu, 3 lines. Go to Settings and Privacy Settings. Tap Tab Bar, then customize the bar. Adjust your preferences by selecting Pin, Auto, or Hide. The accumulated app's cache files can also lead to such problems. So, clear the Facebook app's cache and data to fix it. To do so, you need to open Settings, then go to the Apps or App Manager. Find and click on the Facebook app. Go to the Storage option. Tap on the Clear Cache and Clear Data buttons. Now, open the Facebook app, relog into the account, and check if the issue is solved. If the app is not updated, then also there is a chance to face FB navigation bar down problem. So, check once if any update is available or not for Facebook app. To do so, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Search for the Facebook app and open it in the Play Store. Now, tap on the Update button, if available, and wait for the process to get finished. Once the app is updated, restart the device. If you've checked all the settings and configurations and are still encountering the issue, it would be better if you let Facebook know its issue. For this, you need to open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the 3 lines icon at the left corner. Scroll down and find Help and Support. Tap Report a Problem and choose to continue to report a problem. After that, tap Include in Report and select the respective problem you are facing. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving Facebook navigation bar down problem on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.